In this video, we will walk through how to further modify default assay setups, including switching rows and adjusting the assay protocol to make Simple Western with Jess fit your needs. This can also be helpful when optimizing experiments. Although the default layout is recommended, you can move rows by dragging and dropping to an empty row in the plate view on the upper left. Delete rows by selecting the row then clicking the X. Add a row by selecting the empty row and clicking the appropriate letter box on the top. On the right, you can see the steps of the assay. Click on the arrows to expand details of a specific step. Click the plus icon on the upper right to expand all details. You can change the time for specific steps. Click on the value to change it. You can change rows for a step by using the drop-down menu. You can change the detection profile. The exposures are taken serially, not cumulatively, which means that after 10 seconds, a 1 second, 2 second, and 4 second exposures are complete, while the 8 second exposure is in progress. Adjusting these parameters can be useful when optimizing your assay. Finally, you can change the ladder detection channel. Now you know how to make further adjustments to your Jess assay.